Hello everyone, welcome you all for the last lecture of the course Selenium with Java. So this is the last lecture number 40, module number 5. Here we'll learn test the Selenium TestNG framework grouping. Okay, how grouping is done. So the outline will learn TestNG grouping. Grouping means when we are dealing with some groups. Means grouping is required when we want to access test methods of different classes. Okay, we have created different classes and we want to get the access of different methods of different classes. So that grouping is done in testng.xml file. How we will create this, we will learn in the programming. So this grouping is done in testng.xml file. And for that, in that file, you have to mention group stack. Okay. See, this is the example. We have taken one group as orange and we have launched this orange, the whole program. Okay. Now, next we have taken groups where we have taken place.com. Okay. So this then in we'll create .xml file. In .xml will mention type group. In group will run. Include means Blage include them orange. Then both will run. If you exclude this orange, then only Blage will run. I have taken two groups. You can take 4 to 5 groups. Okay. So let's see to the Eclipse. So come to the Eclipse, start with Eclipse. Package TestNG, create new TestNG class, right click, TestNG, create TestNG class. Here the class name TestNG grouping. Okay. So TestNG grouping. Now at the test groups equals to orange. Okay. Now here we'll write the program of orange. Okay. We'll write the program of orange. So for this, I'll copy the program for orange. I take on this book. This is not otherwise I can take for one here. Yes. So this I'll copy up to put here. Okay. TestNG grouping we are doing. Okay. System set property, driver, options, URL, maximize, weight, title, and these are the values. So this is TestNG grouping. Yes, similarly, see, we'll make this TestNG grouping for orange. Okay. Now, next we'll do for blaze.com. So this class is closed over here. Okay. Now next is again at the rate test groups equals to place. Okay. This then public void. Here class name also mentioned orange. Here class name mentioned place. Okay. Now I'll copy the same thing. Only I'll change the URL. Okay. So URL will be here place.com. Otherwise, I have taken again same subject place.com. Place.com. No, it's not this. was placed. No, this is not the site. Okay, I have to take it out of the yes, place them. I'm sorry, not place them. Place them. Okay, place that one. So there are the two groups. One is orange and one is place. Now, see how to generate the test ng.xml file. Right click on your package, TestNG, convert to TestNG. Second one. See, your TestNG XML file is already there, so we'll write here. Okay. See, uh, it means all the programs under this package will run parallelly. Okay, I'm not changing the name, I'm just finishing it. Okay, I'm just finishing. So what will happen? See here. This is your TestNG XML. Click over here. See, TestNG prioritization, TestNG assertion, TestNG grouping, TestNG annotation, TestNG. If you run it, all the sites will run. All the programs will run. It's called parallel execution. This is called parallel execution. Once prioritization done, then assertion. It takes some time because parallelly we are doing this execution. So all the programs will run simultaneously. That is called parallel execution. So this is the advantage of TestNG. Okay. The parallel execution is possible here. It is stuck somewhere. Maybe I have not mentioned the wait, I guess. Oh, it is already running. Oh, it takes time. Sorry, it is already in running position. See, orange, username enter, password enter. Now place demo site is working. Again, this means there are 5 to 6 programs. All programs will run. Okay. Again, orange HRM is working. So the person is moving only. Means exploding is there. Means the program is running. That I was doing just to show you that parallel execution is possible with TestNG. Okay. Now 7 passes failures through. And failures means failure is in any one program, maybe in either in grouping, either in assertion. So for detailed information, you can execute one by one. But here I just want to show that if we'll convert in testng.xml, then we can run every program parallelly. Okay. Now we are talking about the grouping. So just right click on your grouping file and convert in TestNG. So only this file will be converted. Give some name here. I'm giving name grouping.xml. Okay. Grouping.xml finish. Now check the grouping.xml file. Now only your grouping file is there. And when I was right clicking on TestNG, then all the files were in XML file. But here, since I have right click on my particular grouping file, so only grouping file is there. Now after this, you have to mention the tag groups. Groups. Yeah. You have to mention the tag groups. Like here, I've mentioned you that this is possible with grouping. I'm testing it with group tags. Okay. Groups then run, and we have to type this. Just copying from here. Okay. Groups then run. Now Grouping can be done by include or exclude. If I mention include over here, place and include or is both group will run. So just run it, run the program. So place side will also open. Place demo.com and or is demo.com also open. See, place side is also opening. Okay, after wait of 5 seconds. Let me see, there is any failure now. Oh, it's already running. Okay, it's already running because there is no skip, there is no failure. So it's working fine. Maybe it is taking some time. What I will do, I'll again run this. There is demo.com open, and after 5 seconds, this is not opening. Orange HRM, let me see the program. Is there any issue here? I just copied the program, so issue should not be there. I don't know whether there's expert changes or not, but URL should be open. His name is same. His name is same. His name should be same. Just, uh, I'm just running it in script only so that I can understand if there is an error. So where is the root of the error? Here open source opening, but there was not opening. So we can understand. Maybe I have not copied. Yes, that can be issue. So now it will run in grouping also. It will run in grouping also because here I have written myself. So maybe there can be issue of space and error. So come to again grouping file. Now run it. Now here also it will run. Okay. Run. Actually, I mean, it is taking some time and I'm not waiting. That's now see, orange HRM application also started. There is no error. We are getting only place error. Here, I guess O is capital. Now see, no worries, I was working. So there was a silly small mistake. Okay, I because I just copied it from the PPT. While writing program, I have taken a small letter, but here there was a capital letter of not understanding. That's why our HRM was not running. Okay, so come to here, understood. So our HRM here O was capital, so we don't understand. So 2 passes and failure 0. Okay. Now I want to run only our HRM. So I want to exclude this place. So just type exclude over here. So now only orange application will run, no place will run. Run. So run this. So only HRM application will open. Blaze demo will not open because we have excluded it from the group. Okay, got it? So this is for two groups, but actually there will be 10 groups, 15 groups, 14 groups. So you have to include something, export something. So this is called grouping. This is done by this tag groups. Okay. So what we have to do, we have to click this right click on your file, then convert that file to TestNG with name, got it? And this here file will be displayed. This is the last lecture, that is TestNG grouping. Now one more thing, you can check the output for that. I'm just minimizing everything so that you can understand. There will be there is a folder name. Uh, there will be names as testing output. This reference. It's file. This is file. Reference library. Let me check. See, this test output folder was not visible. Okay. For that, what I have done, I just right click and click on properties. In property, I have clicked on this TestNG and TestNG output directly test output. Apply. Because I was trying to find that folder, but that was not visible. So this is test output folder. It will expand it. Okay. Expand these TestNG results, reports. There will be emailable reports. See, this is an email. Means this report you can email at your mail ID. So click over here. See. At the grouping, you have run two sites, include the groups orange, exclude part. Means it will generate the last report on whatever the program you have executed at last. It will show that only. Okay. Suppose, for example, last I'll deal with two. I'll this generate this. I'll run this. Okay. I will run this and then I'll check the email report. That will be changed. So it will show the latest result of whatever you have done in last. Okay. I've run it. Done. Okay, execution done. Okay. Now check the email report. But for that, you have to refresh once. Otherwise, it can show the last one. Now check the email report. See, TestNG as a data provider. Because now I have run the program of data provider. So we have test two programs, one for admin 123, that was passed. Second for 2B, okay, that was failed. So this is the test pass, test 2, skip 0, retire 0, fail 0. This is a detailed summary. What I have explained you, TestNG provides detailed summary. So this is a detailed summary. Total test pass 2, skip 0, retire 0, fail 0, time 2660 milliseconds. And here we have provided two credentials, and this is the time. So this type of summary you can make it, but the main thing is whatever program last run, that will show the summary of that. Okay. So this is you can by this way you can down to the report also. Okay, this is TestNG failed XML. If there is something failed for that, TestNG report in CSS format, JS format, TestNG results.xml. Okay, so such type of report. So mainly this is emailable report where you can generate it. can mail this report to at your mail. Okay, this is test output. In this way, we have completed this course. So I hope you have learned this. So God bless you. Take care. Bye bye.